We are joined this morning by Charlene Patton, the Kansas Soybean Commission, via Skype, talking about some Halloween or just regular good old fall treats. Good morning, Charlene.
There's always a time, whether we're watching a football game or we're trying to get an early start on Halloween, the Soybean Commission has some great snacks that's going to be great for any festivity this fall.
Or just snacking in general. And Charlene, you have one of my favorite food groups. We're making something with bacon this morning. Tell us about it.
I did it just for you. It's a bacon and cheese snack wafer, and it'll be great to put in a dish to snack with. We're going to start with our softened margarine, which is a soy product, with mixing that with our cheddar cheese. I'm using a spoon here, but you can see when we add our next ingredient, the bacon bits, and that's a half a cup of bacon bits, I've changed and used a mixer. You can use that spoon, but it's a little bit easier to use that mixer and then add the flour gradually into it to make a nice dough that we're going to have. We're going to cut that in half and make 2 logs that we're going to actually refrigerate. And then after they've refrigerated, we're going to slice them into 1-inch thick slices, put them on a baking sheet. They bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're crisp. Let them cool on a cooling rack, and then place them on a serving plate, and they'll be ready for munchies for that football game or that Halloween party.
It absolutely looks amazing, Charlene. Yeah, pretty easy to make, and I'm sure everybody will gobble them up, so make sure you make maybe double that batch as far as the recipe goes. And Charlene, if they want to get the recipe, you've got them easily posted online, right?
We sure do. They can go to kansassoybeans.org, and they can always call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the recipes for October.
All right, this is just the first of a total of 3 segments we're doing with you today. What are we doing in the next half hour, Charlene?
It's truly a Halloween treat because we're going to make a green monster cheese ball.
Oh boy, can't wait for that. That's around 6:20. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Thanks so much, Charlene.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back.
Get the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.